the taste. Culinary queen, her love's cuisine. Hearts intertwined in the dish is serene. Cooking up joy, happiness, fresh green. Filling their souls, a love supreme.
I haven't taken out my nostalgia mini sandwich press, so a very long time. So I'm going to make something with what I have. I have some bread left over from last week. You got 4 loaves or 4 pieces of bread, so we can make a pizza sandwich each, We got some tomato sauce left over from... What did I use tomato sauce for lately? Oh, I had ravioli the other night. And we got these from when Jay went shopping and picked this up at Walmart with his sister. So that is 1 pack of pepperonis. And we got some cheese. So let's make, pizza sandwiches. The pepperoni's frozen. The pepperoni's frozen. So I'm going to take this, put it in the microwave in a paper towel for 20 seconds. Well, yeah, 20 seconds should do it. While it's doing that, I'm going to show you a trick, guys. This is what I do when I'm making grilled cheese. I use mayonnaise instead of butter on my grilled cheese. So I'm going to make this like a grilled cheese, but, with obviously the sauce and everything, right? So first off, just going to press down a little bit on it so the tomato can get in there and everything. But first, we're going to put this like this on there and butter it up with, well, not butter it up, mayo it up. And that's going to be facing, of course, the plate, the hot plate. So now I forgot I have to shred some cheese, so I'm going to have to shred some cheese after I'm done buttering these up. Or after I'm done putting the mayonnaise on it. All right, I'm back. It's me, Natty, making this yummy sandwich. So, you can see the mayonnaise. Put it flat down. Press down on it a little bit. We gotta do this fast because we don't want to grill it too much on one side, right? So we got the pasta sauce. Any pasta sauce you like, any pizza sauce you like, or whatever sauce, you add it on there. But I'm using Catelli's Garden Select. No, I'm not advertising for them, but if I was, that's what I would like to sound like on your commercial. So yeah, if you want to sponsor me, guys, come on down. Okay, like I said, I'm not gonna take the cheese and shred it. I'm too lazy. I haven't shredded any cheese, so I'm just gonna take slices of it. Whoa, like that. Come on. Got the wrong knife for it, but it is what it is. It's Natty.
Whatever works.
Yeah, it's functional. Come on. There's some big chunks of cheese in there. Little corner one here. There we go. Italian seasoning. Okay, so we're going to need this Italian seasoning on there. So Italian seasoning. Right? Then we're going to do some pepperoni again. Where's my freaking pepperoni? This is the pepperoni from the microwave. 2. There's 2 in each, so there's quite a bit there. Extra pepperoni on that. And then we're going to do something else. We're just going to add a little bit more sauce because I think it's going to be too dry. So put more sauce there like that. Because this seals it like a pizza pocket. But this is a Natty pocket. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Remember, mayonnaise on top. Let's close it. Press down, don't be shy. Slowly if you have to. But once this is locked, ooh, it's starting to drip that stuff out, but who cares? There. I'm going to put something underneath there. Clean up, crew. Clean up crew. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Let's shine together. For now. And we wait till the light goes off. Once the light goes off, there we go. And I was going to put some green onions. You can put whatever you want in there. I was going to put some green onions and I forgot, so I'll put it on mine. She's going to have some without. But yeah, one sandwich each. That's all we have, because that's all we have for bread. Then I have this crust left over. But I'm going to keep that to make a couple croutons. Well, not a couple, but make a little bit of a crouton. So I could use those croutons in a soup if I wanted to. You know, there's always something you could do with the crust. And we wait for this beautiful sandwich. While we wait, I'll make mine. Same thing, guys. Except I'm going to have the green onions in it. This would be great for snack, you know, if you have some kids and they just want something to eat and it's the middle of the afternoon, just between supper and whatever. And they're very, very peckish. There you go. Or you buy a whole loaf and you make yourself some and put some aside in the freezer.
You never put any sauce on yours?
Oh yeah, I guess I'm putting sauce. It's the mayonnaise I have to put away. My bad. My bad. Okay, that's taking way long. Let's check it out. Ooh, that looks ready. That looks ready to me, eh? So I'm going to put that on a plate, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Da, 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 da. Doesn't that look nice? Look at that. And right here in the middle, you got the line for the split, so you could just go dun, 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 dun. Well, I have meat in it, so it's a little harder. But yeah, let's get her done. Usually I don't cut it. I just put it on the plate and then I cut it on the plate. I should have done it like that. I don't know why I did like a dingy there. I just did. There we go. I was acting dingy. That's right. I was acting dingy. So look. I didn't even cut it. Didn't cut it properly. Because I wasn't using a knife and I wasn't on a plate. But now that it's on a plate, you follow the line nicely. There you go. You got like a pizza pocket, guys. I love this thing. Really do. So you get a loaf of bread and you can make a bunch of these. You can make any style you want. You can make egg. I'm going to make one breakfast. I'm going to make a breakfast one for the summer. Make a whole loaf and put it in the bag and then have it in the freezer. Okay, so that one's Jay. Jay could eat with me, so he has to wait. Ha ha. Alright, so now I'm going to do it again. So face down, ass up. You know? And then, where's my sauce? Got rid of my spoon, so you know what I gotta do. Push it down a little bit. Just a little bit. And then add some sauce. There we go. Add some cheese. Not gonna forget any step this time, Natty. Just gonna put 3. 3 for me. 3 for me is good enough. That's all I want. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. There, that's good. Now, a little bit of Italian seasoning. Homemade Italian seasoning. I love it. And then we put a little bit of pepperoni, pepperoni, pepperoni. Or should we put sauce first? No, pepperoni's the last thing. Okay. Pepperoni. This is going to be good. I think this is going to be great. It takes a while, though, to cool down. Like, actually, you have to wait a couple minutes after you put it on your plate. Because when you put it on your plate, that's when it's hot stuff. You burn your mouth stuff. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Okay. Green onions. I didn't forget this one. I almost did again. Okay. And I'm gonna put some more, a little bit of more sauce because I don't want it to be too dry. And then put that on top. Let's go. Let's do this. Close the door of the nostalgia. Mini sandwich maker. Dun, 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 dun. It's doing. Oh, see, the light came on. There, it's locked. No juices out of this baby this time. So now we wait. That's all. And like I said, this is Jay's. Jay's looks really good. Now he could eat it. You could dip it in sauce if you want extra sauce, or put it with a little bit of mustard, ketchup, whatever you like, you know. But this is good like this because this is like a pizza sandwich. So, Jay, you're going to eat this in a minute. Do you want some salt and pepper on there or something? Or?
I think about salt and pepper,
Yeah, salt and pepper? Okay. Salt and pepper is in effect. Hey, it matches my stuff. So pepper. Salt. Salt. Yeah, I have magic spoons. I have magic wands. Magic salt and pepper. And now these are just like my nostalgic ones that I love. That I got off of the Amazon haul. Yeah. Okay, let's be grateful for this. Grateful for this piece of meat that I'm going to be eating. Well, it's a little bit of meat. It's pepperoni. So now I'm going to put the rest of that I had. It's still frozen, so I'm just going to seal it back up and put it back in the freezer. And when I need it, I just grab whatever I need because I don't eat it as often as most people do, you know? So. Okay, so it's been a while since I opened up this thing. It's been a while. Dun, 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 dun. It's gonna be hot. Yeah, okay. Whew. Okay. Look at that. Look at this thing. Look at the sandwich. So freaking delicious. Look at the sandwich. So freaking delicious. Just a random thing, right? I like to create. That's what I like to do. I like to create something different. And this little thing didn't cost much. Was it a gift? I can't remember. Jay?
I don't remember.
I don't remember if I got this. Where I got this. If I got it on Amazon myself or it was a gift. I can't remember now. Oh, it was from my dad. Remember? Gave it to me for Christmas. That's right. It's from my dad. Alright, so I'm going to put some salt and pepper on mine as well. And it's taste test time. Just going to give it 1 minute for that because that one's freaking hot. Alright, Jay. So try the magic sandwich. Tell me what you think.
It looks really good. Smells good.
Look at me.
Mm-hmm.
You're the camera, man. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, it tastes like a little pizza.
Say that again because...
Tastes like a little pizza.
There. So you like it, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I can't try it. Well, it should be cool enough now for me to try. So.
Mm-hmm.
Good? Good.
And this is total stoner food.
It's not stoner food.
Yeah, made by stoners. They would love this stuff. Oh, are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry.
It's so good with the green onions. You could do almost anything with this. I'm going to try another one soon. I'm going to make a series probably about this. Making different sandwiches in the sandwich press.
Oh, I like that idea.
I might try out my own bread.
Mm-hmm.
You know, but I got to cut it thin enough. I got to find the right recipe for it.
Your bread maker.
Yeah, that's what I said. I make my own bread. All right. That is something you could put in a sandwich press or a panini press or whatever. I know it's something simple people have probably tried, but hey. Just a reminder, check your pantry if you have this kind of thing.